Hi guys, welcome to this short video about the question how you can add some time sensitive information or information which won't last forever on Amazon influencer video, because actually it's not allowed. They are clearly saying in the instructions that they are not allowing like time sensitive information like price or these things. By the way, here you can see the original Amazon video content guidelines about that. So when we go down a little bit, they are saying price and promotion videos must not contain price, promotion information, discount claims, or other, it's not other, but or time sensitive information. That's the only thing which they are saying. So I'm pretty sure if you would say like something is new or something is very innovative right now or so, there's a good chance that it will be rejected. And by the way, here's a sample how it looks like when it's rejected. Of course, they are saying that the video contains prices, advertisement information, discount promises, or information that is limited in time. And I've checked the whole video and there was actually nothing. So I think sometimes they are using AI, like artificial intelligence, and they are just scanning, and then when there is something, then they are just rejecting it with usually this reason, no matter what it is. So sometimes it already helps. When you know there is nothing in there, you haven't violated the TOS or so, then usually it helps when you re-encode the video, upload it again, and usually it will be approved. I've done this many times already, and usually it works. But sometimes there can be some things which they really don't like, and so you better make sure that there is nothing really in there where they have a real reason to reject it. But sometimes you have some information which you want to share. I mean, of course, it's not possible to share a price, but there are other important information for possible buyers which you want to put into the video. And the question is then how, and I've tried a little bit around, and it looks like I have found something. At least there are a couple of videos which have been now approved, and so I can show you for example this sample here which I've done here for these lady fingers. So I'm going to play this part of the video. It's just a short part, but it gives you some impression how you could do that. So I hope it will also record the audio from this video. So I'm playing this thing here. What's maybe also important to know is how long they will last. Of course, this won't be always the same, but in this case I ordered it in February 2023 and it will be good till mid-July 23, which is 5 months from now. Of course, that's just the situation at the moment. It doesn't have to be always like that. I stop this here again. So this is one sample, but I have another one also for you. So I have here a video about mini PC with a brand new CPU, and I wanted to share this information to the viewers that it's a rather new mini PC. But of course, when you just say it's a very new mini PC or very new CPU, then they will reject it, because in half a year or in a year it won't be the same. So watch what I have done here. It comes with an Intel Alder Lake N95 CPU, which was just released in January 2023. It's basically the successor of the Intel Celeron series. Okay, I stopped this here as well, so you can see this is also some time sensitive information, but I've added the months and the year, so when people will watch this video in a year, they will know that it's not a new CPU anymore, because it was released in January 2023, and obviously this was enough to approve these videos. So these are two samples how you could do that. At least based on my experience, I can't guarantee that this will always work, but these two videos have been approved right in the first attempt, so I'm pretty confident that this is a way how you could do that. And so I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments or other suggestions or other experience, if you have tried similar thing and you have been successful in a different way, or your videos have been rejected, then just let us know how the situation is on your side. Please write everything down into the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.